Welcome to Nature with Aristotle, the show where we embark on fascinating journeys through the natural world, exploring its wonders and unraveling its secrets. I'm your host, Aristotle, and today we're going on an adventure to uncover the intriguing story of Hydnora africana, a plant that will challenge your perceptions of what it means to be a flower. Hydnora africana, commonly known as the corpse flower, is not your typical bloom. This unusual plant has been fascinating botanists and naturalists for centuries, and its unique characteristics make it an important part of the ecosystem in which it thrives. Simply put, it's a type of parasitic plant that grows underground, feeding on the roots of certain species of plants, typically those in the euphorbia family. The evolutionary history of Hydnora africana dates back millions of years, with fossil records showing that similar plants existed during the Cretaceous period. The first scientific documentation of this species was made by the Swedish botanist Carl Linnaeus in the 18th century, who described it as a curious and rare plant. Since then, numerous researchers have contributed to our understanding of Hydnora africana, including its classification, habitat, and mechanisms behind its unique growth patterns. From a scientific perspective, Hydnora africana is classified as a member of the family Hydnoraceae, which comprises a small group of parasitic plants found primarily in Africa and South America. These plants have adapted to survive in environments with limited resources, developing specialized roots that tap into the vascular systems of their host plants to obtain essential nutrients. This remarkable adaptation allows them to thrive in areas where other plants would struggle to survive. One of the most fascinating aspects of Hydnora africana is its unique life cycle. The plant spends most of its life underground, producing small, yellowish-brown flowers that emerge from the soil only when it's ready to reproduce. These flowers are designed to attract specific pollinators, such as carrion beetles and flies, which are drawn to the strong, unpleasant odor emitted by the plant. This remarkable example of coevolution highlights the intricate relationships between plants and animals in ecosystems. Research on Hydnora africana has revealed many interesting facts about this plant's behavior and ecology. For instance, studies have shown that the corpse flower is able to manipulate its host plant's chemistry to increase the flow of nutrients towards its own roots. This complex interaction not only benefits the parasite, but also affects the surrounding ecosystem, influencing the local microbial community and potentially even the soil structure. In terms of ecological relationships, Hydnora africana plays a vital role in its native habitats. The plant provides a source of food for various insects, such as the aforementioned carrion beetles, which are important decomposers in these ecosystems. Additionally, the corpse flower's unique growth pattern creates microhabitats that support a diverse array of microorganisms, contributing to the overall biodiversity of the area. Unfortunately, Hydnora africana is facing several threats, including habitat destruction, climate change, and overcollection by plant enthusiasts. By understanding the complex relationships between plants, animals, and their environments, we can work towards creating a more sustainable future for all living things. For example, conservation efforts focused on preserving the habitats of Hydnora africana and its host plants could have a positive impact on the entire ecosystem. Additionally, education and outreach programs aimed at raising awareness about the importance of this species and the threats it faces could help reduce the demand for wild-collected specimens and promote more sustainable practices among plant enthusiasts. The corpse flower may not be the most beautiful or fragrant bloom, but its unique story teaches us about the incredible diversity and resilience of nature. Furthermore, the study of Hydnora africana and other parasitic plants like it can provide valuable lessons for agriculture and ecology. By understanding how these plants interact with their hosts and environments, scientists may develop new strategies for improving crop yields, reducing pesticide use, or promoting more sustainable land use practices. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, may your curiosity about the natural world continue to flourish.